Wake up, everybody. We got stuff to do.
Hey. No. That's my line.
Anyways.
No, anyways. That's my line. You can't say that.
Was his line. Anyways.
Whoa, fella. Wow. You give a guy a camera.
Anyways,
and he
like
thinks it's his show all of a sudden.
It's my show for now.
Stuff.
Here at Rusty Roots Repair, my name is Kayvon. I am the man behind the camera. I just wanted to touch base real fast to kind of explain the dilemma with the delay of content we've been putting out lately. We've been having some small hiccups here and there, which we'll discuss in another video. But we do have some amazing content things coming up here pretty soon. Adam, tell them what we're going to be doing.
Oh, it's my turn now? Thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, so this Saturday, February the 24th. This Saturday. We're going to be at Canfield Fairgrounds at the Dave and Ed's Super Swap Meet. We're going to be walking around. I'm going to be looking for some parts. Like he said, we'll get into the hiccups that we've run into. So many. No hiccup. So many hiccups. But yeah, we're going to be out there at Dave and Ed's Super Swap Meet, just walking around. If you're going to be there, come say hi. I'll be the walking billboard with the big bearded guy on his back. He'll be the
tall, dark, and handsome assistant that'll be there. We take pictures, we do autographs, whatever you want. We got you guys.
I'm never giving you a camera again.
Take it from me.
So yeah, anyways, we're going to be at this guy, I'll tell you. We're going to be at Canfield Fairgrounds, Dave and Ed's Super Swap Meet. Come say hi, shoot the bull, whatever. I'll be looking for parts, and he'll apparently be signing autographs and taking pictures. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate you guys staying patient with me and all my hiccups and issues that I'm having with parts and these projects and everything. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent. I'll get back to you. And thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. See you on the next video.